out of 10. I can't compete with that. I'm not even trying. All right, red flag warning in effect starting at 10 a.m. up until 9 p.m. for today. We're talking about windy and gusty conditions. Temperature outside though, 68 degrees, not too bad temperature wise, but we are looking at 20-mile-per-hour winds already, and they'll be peaking around 2 o'clock. Now I've got your St. Patrick's Day forecast coming up after the break. That is spooky for sure. All right, guys. Well, weather-wise, it is going to be a gorgeous Sunday today, though. Temperature-wise, it's great. It's just going to be a little bit windy, a little bit gusty, so take your allergy medicine for today. So everything you see shaded in pink here is under a red flag warning. So most of South Central Texas, as you can see, that's going to be from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. for today. Now, we are looking at extreme category as far as the fire threat goes. As you can see, in the rest couple of days will be on the moderate to high side, but today you definitely want to avoid any kind of outdoor grilling. Anything that could cause a fire outdoors, avoid it for today because it could spread very easily and very quickly. We're expecting around 40-mile-per-hour winds later on this afternoon. The peak of those winds were around 2 o'clock for today. So again, it's going to be very windy and you'll see a lot of blowing dust in the air, but thankfully winds will subside for your Sunday. Sunday's going to look great. Now we are still in a drought and not just an extreme category. We are now in the exceptional category, also in Austin as well. So yeah, we definitely need the rain, but it doesn't look like we're going to get any anytime soon. Now temperature outside right now, 68 degrees for your Saturday morning. Winds are already at 20 miles per hour from the west, so it's already looking pretty windy outside, but we will be topping out in these upper 70s in the afternoon. So again, temperature wise, it's great. And I know they're going to be painting the Riverwalk green for St. Patrick's Day, so that's exciting. Definitely head out there and check it out. But Sunday's going to be a lot nicer to be outdoors. We're expecting a high of 82 degrees, lots of sunshine, and most importantly, winds will be nice and calm for tomorrow. 2 days away now from St. Patrick's Day. We're expecting a high of 83 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and yes, calm winds. So it's going to be a great St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to wear green and go do all the festivities. And we are 5 days away from the first day of spring. It starts on March 20th, so it's just around the corner now. Here's a look at our radar. We are tracking some severe storms in East Texas. Nothing so far, though, in San Antonio. As you can see, it's moving towards Louisiana. We are staying pretty quiet, and we're actually not expecting any rain chances up until next Saturday. So for the next week, we are not expecting anything whatsoever, but we are tracking 20% for next Saturday. Now, as far as your 14-day forecast, we are going to be in those above average temperatures. We should be around 74 this time of year. So we're staying warm, 83 on St. Patrick's Day, 87 on Tuesday. As of right now, it looks like 74 degrees for the first day of spring, and then 90s next week.
Goodness, I love, but you know, Roxy, I love scary movies. I don't know what it is. I could watch them all year. But
spooky, scary movies.
Spooky, scary.
I was watching everything during the pandemic. Yeah. I watched everything on Netflix.
That's true. I think I went through my playlist a couple of times there.
Gotta go through it again.
Yeah, well, I just have to say, I love the flowers behind you with your dress. It just,
Thank you.
It feels so springy.
I'm ready for spring.
Yes.
Yeah. I've got a lot of spring dresses to wear, so yeah, gotta have the matching florals. Well, guys, today it is going to be a dusty and gusty Saturday. We do have a red flag warning in effect from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., so it's going to be lasting all day. As you can see, most of Texas is going to be seeing that red flag warning. So we are in the pink, meaning that we are looking at dry conditions plus windy conditions. So the fire threat is extreme for today, 20 to 30 mile per hour winds. The rest of the week, though, will be a little bit breezy, but today you definitely want to avoid any kind of outdoor fires. So winds will pick up in the afternoon, specifically at 2 o'clock. We'll see a peak of those winds, 30 to 40 miles per hour. It is going to be very windy, very gusty. Don't forget to take the allergy medicine, but for your Sunday, it's going to look great. And if you're heading out the door right now, we're almost at those 70 degrees. We're at 68 right now. Winds already at 20 miles per hour from the west, so you can already feel those winds. Temperature-wise, though, will be not too bad. So 79 is your high for today, and we're going to get even warmer for your Sunday. So Sunday, we're expecting a high of 82 degrees, lots of sunshine, and most importantly, nice calm winds for your Sunday fun day. Now, we're only 2 days away from St. Patrick's Day, so get ready for all the St. Patty's Day festivities. We're expecting a high of 83 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Now, 5 days away from spring, and it already feels like it temperature-wise. We are staying above average, but spring does start on March 20th. So as far as our radar, we are tracking some severe weather towards the east. It looks like it's leaving Dallas now, making its way into Louisiana. And we zoom in here, lots of extreme weather out there. But as far as for us, we're just going to be getting the winds out of that system. So not tracking any rain for the next 7 days. We're not tracking rain until next Saturday. So it's looking pretty dry, and we are in a drought. So we kind of need the rain, but we're not going to be seeing any of it. So here's a look at your 14-day forecast. We are going to be warming up to 87 degrees on Tuesday, 84 on Wednesday. Looks like we'll be back down to 70s for the first day of spring. And it looks like we'll be reaching the 90s next week with those partly cloudy skies. Now stay with us. We'll be